Koscielny catches the chain snatcher. One day, a bold woman named Koscielny was coming along with her neighbor Sandhya from school where their kids studied. They used to walk to the school while dropping and bringing back the children from the school. Suddenly, a chain snatcher swept past Sandhya and ran away taking her gold chain. Poor Sandhya became so nervous that she almost fainted out of fear. The brave Koscielny ran after the chain snatcher, shouting loudly. Fortunately, some men were coming from the opposite direction. They were alarmed to see a woman running after a man. They had also heard her shout loudly. Without wasting a moment, the men caught the chain snatcher. Sandhya got her chain back while the chain snatcher was handed over to the police. While commending the bravery of Koscielny, the police said that many more women got their gold earrings and chain from the chains. An old-time criminal. Rohan saves Mohan. The Ramlila show was held peacefully every year in a village. But this year, it was not so peaceful. When Mohan was chosen to play the role of Hanuman, Sanjay felt so jealous that he decided to take his revenge. Actually, Sanjay used to play the role of Hanuman every year. He did not want anyone else to play this role. On the day of Ram Leela, when Hanuman was about to fly in the air to Lanka, Sanjay decided to do a nasty act that might have nearly killed Mohan. There was a strong but thin wire over which Hanuman was hooked so that he might appear as if he was actually flying. Sanjay went backstage to play his dirty trick. He wanted to cut the wire so that Mohan might tumble down. He was about to cut the wire when Rohan suddenly found him. He held Sanjay, threw him on the ground, and saved Mohan. Millie helps police. Although everyone was praising Millie, yet she thought she hadn't done anything big to deserve the praise. The local newspaper reporters had come to take her interview. The police inspector had also come to thank her. Millie was a poor girl who took tuitions to finance her studies. One day, she came across a woman who had promised to take her to the city where she would get a good job and lucrative salary. Millie wanted to take up the offer because she was poor, but she refused and went to meet the police inspector instead. The police arrested the woman, a child trafficker, along with the gang. In her interview, Millie told that there was a seminar in a school she had attended. In this seminar, the instructors had told the students that they should report the matter to the police immediately if someone offered them good jobs in a city. Thomas saves Rita's life. Thomas was a young college student. He came from a small town and had worked very hard to gain entry into one of the America's best colleges. He was a fearless person and helped save Rita's life. One day, he was returning from the library after doing some research for his college assignment. The sun had set and the parking lot was almost dark. As he hurried to his hostel, he heard a woman screaming. He turned towards the sound and saw two men attacking a female student named Rita. He ran to save her. When the assailants saw him coming, they tried to escape with a purse. Thomas ran after them. One of them slashed his face with a knife, but Thomas did not stop. He was able to catch the assailant, who had Rita's purse. Thanks to his efforts, the other assailant was also caught soon.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.